Today we're going to be grilling up some ribeye. All you're going to need is some oil. Today we got avocado oil, some salt, and we're going to try one of them with the Montreal steak seasoning, and the next one with some salt, garlic pepper. We're just going to salt both of these up. One of them we're going to put some Montreal steak seasoning. Next one we're going to put the garlic pepper. Okay, we heated up the grill. We got our steaks out here. We're just gonna go ahead and oil up the grill a bit, and then we're gonna throw those steaks on. These ribeyes should be about done. Let's go ahead and plate them and let them set for about 5-10 minutes.